This is an overview of the 50 Gold Nugget digital paper pack. We're unpacking the contents. You get 50 digital papers, plus you get the patterns. Don't forget to zoom in so you can see the full resolution. Okay, so here we go. We're going to do a tutorial, but first I'm going to show you all the different textures that you get with, and these are pattern overlays. And so what we will be doing is we'll be doing a agate stone kind of like gold tear tutorial with this particular set. So if you would like to get the Gold Nugget set, you can. The link will be in the description below. As always, it will be available on my website. So this is the project that I created, and I am just going to delete everything and start over. I'm going to use the pen tool just to start drawing some loose lines. Very simple. And then we just connect them together, use the paths to basically complete that object, and then put a gradient fill, and you just press Ctrl Alt Delete so you could go ahead and get that. You can choose any color you like. I've chosen these. So this video is sped up a little bit, but you should be able to follow along. Now I'm just taking a regular hard edged brush and I'm going along the edges here. Nothing special here, just make them jaggedy. And what I'm doing is I'm going over the gold edges and I'm just doing layer upon layer to give it that golden tear look or that agate slice look. So, and you just keep creating new layers and then just making more just jaggedy line edges. It's really nothing to it. It's very simple, and you just keep using different Gold Nugget, the colors and the variations. It creates a little bit of depth and makes it have a little more realism to it. And the pen tool is very easy. All you have to do is click on the very top, the cog, and choose rubber band, and it should be very easy for you to select. You're just pushing and pulling with the pen tool. And then once you have it selected, you go to the paths, you select the marching ants and press Ctrl Delete. And then you just continue to layer using the brush tool and adding the pattern overlay to it, and then just drawing along the edges. Now, there's no wrong or right way to do this, so whatever design that you come up with, however it looks good to you, it's perfect. So you don't need to be worried about that, and always practice makes perfect. Nobody who starts out in Photoshop is like 100% perfect. You just need to practice if you're not getting it. Watch the video again or slow it down. So here I am going over this with a glittering brush. You can create your own glittering brush, or you can use one from my other kit if you purchase my other kits. Fortunately, the glittering brush doesn't come with this, but you can make one very simple. I will be making a tutorial on that in my next video. So here I'm just adding a little bit of gold flecks to also just continuing to layer. Nothing special here, nothing at all. Just continuing to do the same thing. It's pretty repetitive once you get the hang of it. And then yeah, so just continue to add the pattern overlays, change the colors to give it dimensions, and that's pretty much it. And I'm gonna go ahead and just not talk anymore, and it's basically going to be repeating the same thing. And I hope that you guys like this tutorial, and thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and like, and don't forget to subscribe.